Recon Ronnie here. Today we're gonna do leather repair. Before we get started, do not repair anything this bad. I started recording my repairs so I can look back and see what else I can do differently. Like for starters, don't ever do a repair this bad, but it does make for a good training video. So with that said, here's what I would have done differently. First, I would stitch this, and then I would lay the filler on top of it. Okay, back to the video. If you can fix something this bad, the real repairs are going to be really easy for you. Alright, let's get started. Lay down a backing to hold the repair. So looking back now at this old repair, I would have just stitched that tear and then it went on with the repair. I'm going to use a heat cure compound on this one. This one is Duraflex from Viper. First, I use it almost like a glue. And that's going to hold that backing in place. Bear with me with these videos. I'm still learning how to edit. I used the cooling block almost like an iron. Level the repair first before you lay any more filler on there. I switched to FX9 from Viper, and you can also just stick with Duraflex. I like FX9 because you can see the graining. Also, don't forget to like and share my video, please. Please. Once again, for the love of God, just get it reupholstered. But for the sake of content and tutorials, here's how you do it. Always heat your filler up to the point where it starts to smoke. You're pretty much just layering your filler down till you can get it as smooth as you can get it. And then you just keep graining and graining. This is a grading pad. It leaves the pattern on top of the filler. Let's zoom in so you can see that graining. So I messed up and accidentally put filler over the stitching because the camera was in the way. And here's how you fix it. Keep going till you can get it as smooth as possible. And then when you're satisfied, go ahead and lay your paint down. I'm just using a black toner and cross-link. And then after that, I lay down a semi-gloss top coat. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you guys want to see next Sunday. Make sure you guys check out my other videos too.
Recon Ronnie here.
Today we're going to go over basic touch-ups.
And I'll see you guys next Sunday.